Okay guys, don't wonder, I know this is just a small part of my backyard, and here it's me. Oh, not that good, I know, but anyway, yeah, I'm kind of speechless. I wanted to show you what just arrived some minutes ago, and I think I will do a small unpackaging video. So yeah, just gonna show you what, oh my god, yeah, I can't tell you how lucky I am actually, so be prepared. So I think you can see it comes from ASUS. And maybe some of you guys already know what it might be. My choice of champions. And there's something special in there. So I gotta show you guys. Okay, so I think those guys who are into overclocking and the latest news from the Computex already know this thing. But I don't want to tell you too much right now. And here it comes. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Guys, look at this. How beautiful can one box be? I'm not sure. Is it the same opening mechanism? It looks different to all the other ROG boards. And this is not easy to do with one hand. And I'm shaking because I'm nervous. And now guys, have a look at this. Holy shit, this is so beautiful. Let's put that one back here. I don't want to peel it right now. Oh my gosh. This is like a dream comes true. So this is the ROG Extreme, I don't know, let's have a look. ROG DOMINUS Extreme. This is a board designed for 28 core, especially the 3175X Xeon with the open multiplicator for especially designed for overclocking. So the chip might arrive this week, I'm not sure. I think next week. But anyway, I think I have the greatest thing you can get for money actually in the house already. This is looking so awesome. Oh my gosh. That guy is a heavy guy. Holy shit. Damn. Okay. Now let's look what's inside. Inside we have this and that and this and that. I don't know. There's a lot of stuff in it. So basically this might be something to install a CPU easier. Typical for ASUS. Typical for ASUS. The ROG extender card for M2 SSDs. I think this is the manual, no, stickers. So yeah, sadly my device cannot handle more than 5 minutes in 4K. So yeah, I hope you liked it. This is an amazing board. Yeah, I think at the end of next week I gotta try the CPU, because there is a retail coming to my hands, and yeah, then maybe, hello to Bearded Hardware, I will do some competition with that guy from Tampa. See you until next time. Bye bye.